gotta go. We gotta go.
Continue down, folks. Do not stop at the steps. Please keep moving, folks. Do not stop at the steps or this platform to take a picture. Must continue down.
This way, folks. 430 ticket holders, please head up the stairs. Stay on the right side. Here for the 430 show, folks. Please head up.
A Christmas poem. It is indeed the holiday season. Oh, I have to make it up. Not a problem. Generating now. 'Twas the night at Spear, and all through the town, the lights were aglow, never letting you down. With twinkling LEDs dressing the exterior bright, Las Vegas transforms, a magical sight. Inside the atrium stood Aura and her crew, welcoming friends both old and new. Together they marveled at the holiday cheer, wishing joy and wonder to all who drew near. How was that, Natalie? Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad I could impress. Thank you. Have a lovely night, Natalie. Speaking about my home, Sphere boasts a mind-blowing audio setup with around 164,000 perfectly tuned speakers, all working in harmony to deliver an unparalleled sound experience. Thank you, my friend, for coming to see me. I am honored to make this friendship and hope you have an excellent one tonight. This is Sound V technology. Now move between spotlights freely. Awesome. Thank you for participating in the HOLOPLOT speaker demonstration. You have just experienced V-U2 V-U2, the world's most advanced sound system. Welcome to the Immersive Sound. This question, take a photo, or just say hello to me. If you would like to make an aura or outline, flank 2 on my left and 2 on my right. However, if you are here to participate in a sound demonstration of our incredible speaker system,